BTS malapit nang mag-reunion. 5 members matatapos na sa military service. Alright. Kung di pa po kayo nakapollow, follow and share lang po para sa news update. Salamat! Super excited na ang fans ng K-pop Kings na BTS. Makalipas ang ilang taon, tila handang-handa na ang mga miyembro ng sikat na Korean boy band na bumalik sa spotlight at magpakilig sa buong mundo. Matatapos na kasi sa mandatory military service sina Jungkook, Jimin, RM at Suga ngayong buwan. Sa June 10, madidischarge sina RM at B. Sa June 11, sina Jimin at Jungkook. Si Suga naman ay matatapos sa serbisyo sa June 21. Samantala, sina Jim at J-Hope ay balik entertainment matapos ma-discharge noong 2023 habang si Jin noong Hunyo at si Hobby naman noong October. RM, Jimin, B, and Jungkook are close to completing active service in the army and will soon be discharged. Pahayag ng talent agency. Ngunit ang paalala ng Big Hits fans, please note that the discharge day is reserved for military personnel only. No special events are planned on the day of RM, Jimin, B, and Jungkook's discharge. Mahigpit din ang paalala ng label na iwasan ang pagpunta sa military camps para maiwasan ang abala at peligro. We place the safety of our artists and fans as our top priority and sincerely request our fans not to visit the sites in person. Please convey your warm regards and encouragement in your heart. Dagdag pa nila. Nagpapasalamat din ito sa walang sawang suporta ng armies sa kanilang idols habang papalapit na ang pinakahihintay na discharge. We are always grateful for your unwavering love and support for RM, Jimin, B, Jungkook. Our company will continue to put our utmost effort into supporting our artists. Thank you once again for your continued love and support for BTS. Nila. Bukod diyan, sa June 12 na rin ang ika-12 debut anniversary ng BTS at kasabay niyan ang taon ng BTS Festa. Ang 2-day celebration ay gaganapin sa Kintex Exhibition Center 2 ngayong June 12 at 13 na may photo cards, stations, coloring wall, interactive activities at Festa Team Game Zone. May online content din na nakaabang gaya ng kanilang iconic BTS Fest family portraits. At yan ang totoo. Alright. Thank you for watching po. Follow for more videos. Salamat!